my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride.
Right now? Yes. You fucking kidding me?
What up, buddy? What's up, dude?
Oh, what's up?
Dude, what you, man? As soon as you pulled in, someone goes, "That's Bash." And I was like, "Where?" And I saw the stickers. I was like, "That's Bash."
What's up, buddy?
Fucking A, dude. What's up, man? Finally meet you, dude.
Hell yeah, bro.
Heck yeah, dude.
I'm
This is
stoked,
what's
dude.
up.
I'm excited.
Are you
When'd you
spare?
get in?
Huh?
When'd you get in?
I got into here today at like earlier this morning, like
Oh,
10
okay.
o'clock, something like that. But I've been in Atlanta. God, dude. I thought you had a CX-10 on.
No, everyone thinks that for some reason.
You seem like a CX-10 type of guy.
Yeah, those things are fucking ugly, bro. Here, want me to take a picture?
Photo bomb. Oh man,
Just,
I didn't realize how like Mexican you look. Don't hit me.
cool.
I don't know what the fuck I just looked. I know. That's my buddy Fly. Really?
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
How you doing?
On the doctor.
Yeah, you don't show face, do you?
Just
Just because of work, it wasn't like a lot of people.
I borderline wish I didn't, but at the same time, like, God, dude, I'm so sweaty. So hot.
Yeah, we were like jackets, and I'm like, fuck that, I'm coming here to enjoy this shit.
Yeah, exactly. I rode in this. Oh,
Yeah,
dude,
me
I rode
too.
a jacket up here. I was like, fuck that. 4 hours in a jacket.
Yeah.
make the case first I could. How long did it take you to get here? How many days?
No, it was 30 hours, bro. I drove straight.
30 hours straight?
I drove straight. We had to stop in Arkansas because we were going to get here at 4 a.m.
Oh my God.
Three-star
Yeah,
recruit.
don't sleep in my room. It gets real funky.
Yeah. That's 3-star recruit. Get here and stay good shit.
Gosh, put your visor down. I know you don't.
Oh, let me get out the picture. Take a photo here.
Come on, dude.
Oh, God, dude, this is, I can't be this gay. Is it done?
I love it.
Yeah.
That's probably going to be one of the best pictures.
That's Red Bomb.
That's actually the reason why Laura and I broke up, is because me and Bash had a secret.
Don't tell everybody.
That's why you reacted the way I did.
Yeah, I was like, dude, you
My
better
bad.
back
My
off.
bad.
All right, I'm gonna hug you. You don't wash those off. I'll sign that.
I'm not fucking.
No, you need to put that on eBay now.
It's going up for sure.
What's up, Rev? Good to see you, man. Well, whatever you like.
What's up with that? He's a white boy. So do they know we're here to fuck shit up at that restaurant?
God, I really hope that they're ready for what we have to offer. What do you mean, like?
Oh, what's up, bro? Have you? What's your name, man?
No one, because I didn't go, oh, face reveal. Like, no one freaked out. They were like,
Yeah, okay.
no, I just want people to fucking get shirts. Like,
You done? Fuck.
Yeah, I'm giving them multiple options, which worked out well because you were going deuces and then the bird. There you
I
go.
appreciate that, bro. Yeah.
Helmet, okay. GoPro, so you obviously make videos. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is that awkward situation where like I know a lot of internet people, but I don't know what nobody's internet face looks like.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm like, that your helmet? Okay, I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm like, oh.
Yeah, right on.
That's the
Go for one.
What's going on?
What's up, bro?
GoPro
How you doing,
ages
man?
ago, man.
Dude, I know. I tell everybody about that. You know,
think
sometimes
you
they
do.
fucking talk shit about you. I'm like, that dude did me a favor.
There's a lot of guys
He's
out
fucking,
west that
yeah,
don't
dude. He fucking signed that shit. He's cool as fuck, dude. So.
yeah, there's getting excited for the amount of people that are going to show up. So. It says 700 on the page, but it's probably about 400.
That's still a lot, yeah. That's still gonna be a lot.
It's like a quarter and a half mile line.
Yeah. That's gonna be money.
We're going to be finished when the last guys go.
Right. So it's we're meeting there at 1.
I believe so, yeah. I
And
think
then
we're
we're
going to get there a little early.
You're hitting
Hey, what's up, bud? How you doing?
Meet you, man.
How you doing?
Fine.
Where you-
Long way from home here.
Yeah, I'm long way, but it's worth it.
Yeah, I'm from Canada, so
Oh,
it's
okay.
the same. It's the same.
Oh, wow. You came all the way down from Canada for this?
Yeah.
That's sweet. Do you live by Snowcat?
No, he's in Calgary.
Calgary,
I'm in
oh.
Quebec.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Yeah, it'll be a good time.
I love what you do, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
It's good.
I appreciate it, man. Yeah. I did. Here, we do it.
Oh, fuel camp meat. Jet fuel camp milk, fuel beam.
Yo, thank you.
You working out? You stretching to work out?
I'm just doing test shots real quick.
Everybody's like, oh shit.
Okay.
Come on, niggas.
Look at I'm out.
Test shots real quick.
That was a test tube, baby.
Everyone test photos. I'm not putting that on Icon's Instagram.
Aw.
I'm not gonna do it.
Not with that attitude.
There's a line and you crossed it.
No, you ain't seen
Not my
shit
line,
yet.
my personal line. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Damn, my arm hurts.
Bad titty, you're juicing, man.
Like fucking holding it forever, man.
Yeah, that's legit. Okay, just don't move.
Oh, you fucking
You already fucked it up.
sticker, get out of the way. You're in the fucking light.
It's a bad.
No, he's blocking it. Oh God, it's hot.
Dude, I was like fogging up.
Is this crossing the line?
Guys, I know this is annoying as fuck. That Kroger sign is not. Just stand over there. Can I just get everybody to shit? No, just stand over there. With the bike. I just need like this group of people right here to move over. I'm sorry, guys.
You can't be sorry.
Just for a second.
That way.
Like, just hit him on the back. You be solid.
I'm like, fucking dead arm right now. This dude over here, I put my arm on his shoulder. He's like, yeah, I know. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Take it now, quick. Hurry up, Icon.
One more.
Alright, this is awkward. They're gonna notice I'm crouching on the bed. Yeah, you are. Who's smiling right now? Me.
Okay, that was it. Thank you guys. Sorry, I was just getting up and out.